YouTube descriptions. Have you ever read one entirely? Probably not. Does anyone even read them? Let's find out.
Hey Gonçalo, hey, have you ever read a full YouTube video's description?
No, I
Of
don't.
course he hasn't, because descriptions are all
Horrible.
they're all horrible, but there's a way to make them better.
You're gonna see later in the video.
So, are you curious to know how everyone could make their descriptions better? Gotta keep watching. Let's start with what's written in them. In music videos, you can go read who made the music or which company it belongs to, and the average YouTuber video always has the same thing. Links to the sponsors, links to the creator's social media, and maybe some tags. And that's it. So why would anyone go read the description? And that's the thing, no one does. Unless you want to go read some links or find out for some reason who owns the music, there's no point to go read the description. And this type of description is kind of boring, but there are those who use descriptions differently. I know at least two, Angels ASMR and Sidoca, a Brazilian rapper. From my point of view, they are like the unlikely pair that pioneers a better way to do descriptions. They both leave a personalized message written in them. Angel's ASMR usually writes about why the video took so long to make, how she was feeling that day, stuff like that, and Sidoca always writes a specific poem for each song. Do you notice the difference? It's not just the same description with all the necessary links and stuff, every single video nearly the same description. It's also a heartfelt message that changes every video or every song. They use YouTube descriptions as a way to connect with viewers. It's another way to express yourself and make your video more personalized and more unique. If I like a song, I might want to know more about it than just who owns the music and who made it. I might want to know how it came about, and if I watch a funny video, I might want to know how the behind the scenes were like, and I would want to laugh knowing how it was like. The descriptions should be like a bonus to whoever enjoyed the video, not just some boring links and tags and whatever. And bonus, isn't the whole point of YouTube nowadays to make people want to stay longer in the video? If they go read the description, they'll stay longer for sure. What about you? Do you know anyone who makes cool descriptions? Is there anything I missed? Comment down below. Love reading comments. I reply to every single comment. And in case you don't want to go read the description or comment down below, you can check out these videos instead. I think you'll enjoy them.